Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the Ford Edge headlight flickering issue and what could be causing it. This video discusses common issues reported by Ford owners and potential causes. This information is for general awareness and may not apply to every vehicle. Always consult a certified mechanic or dealership for specific concerns. Headlight flickering in the Ford Edge is commonly described as headlights dimming and brightening while driving, flickering at idle, changes in brightness when electrical loads change, or intermittent headlight operation. Verified technical service information and reviewed automotive electrical and lighting system data indicate that headlight flicker concerns can occur across multiple Ford Edge model years, with relevance depending on lighting system design, electrical architecture, and vehicle configuration. This issue does not affect all vehicles and applicability varies by configuration. One verified cause involves electrical power or voltage instability. Fluctuations in system voltage due to battery condition or charging system behavior can cause headlights to flicker. Another confirmed cause relates to alternator output regulation. Inconsistent charging voltage can result in visible changes in headlight brightness during operation. Ground connection integrity is also a documented factor. Loose, corroded, or damaged ground points can interrupt steady electrical flow to the headlights. Headlight wiring or connector condition is another verified consideration. Worn connectors, poor contact, or damaged wiring can lead to intermittent lighting behavior. Lighting control module or switch behavior is an additional confirmed aspect. Control logic or internal wear can affect consistent headlight operation. Other potential contributing factors, which are not confirmed in every case, may include recent electrical work, temperature-related electrical response, or increased electrical load from other systems. These should be treated strictly as possibilities and confirmed through proper diagnostic testing. Common solutions described in professional service guidance include testing battery and charging system performance, inspecting grounds and wiring, checking headlight connectors, and evaluating lighting control components. Repairs depend on accurate diagnosis and electrical system-specific requirements. Reviewed diagnostic trends indicate that many Ford Edge headlight flickering concerns are resolved through correction of electrical connections or charging system service rather than headlight assembly replacement. Outcomes vary by model year, lighting configuration, and vehicle condition. In conclusion, Ford Edge headlight flickering is typically linked to voltage instability, alternator regulation issues, grounding problems, wiring or connector faults, or lighting control behavior. The exact cause differs by vehicle, generation, and model year, making professional diagnosis essential. If you don't understand something or have any questions, leave a comment below. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. If you have any copyright concerns or inquiries, refer to description for email.